Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Physics 11th class, most important 100 MCQs, Part 3। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को दबाना भी मत भूलिएगा। बहुत शुक्रिया। If Rx is positive and Ry is negative, the resultant vector lies in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Correct option D, fourth quadrant. The dimension of the relation square root f into L over m equal to the dimension of force, momentum, acceleration, velocity. Correct option D, velocity. In 5.47 into 19.89 is equal to 108.7983. Answer should be written as 108.8, 108.9, 109, 108.79. Correct option C. Answer should be written as 109. Dot product of vector with itself is 0, 2a, a square, a. Correct option C. Dot product of vector with itself is a square. Absolute uncertainty in a measuring instrument is equal to least count, accuracy, fractional uncertainty, percentage uncertainty. Correct option least count. Absolute uncertainty in a measuring instrument is equal to least count. The value of escape velocity for Earth is 11 km per hour, 11 km per second, 1.1 km per hour, 1.1 meter per second. Correct option is B. The value of escape velocity for Earth is 11 km per second. Rectangular components have angle between them 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Correct option D. Rectangular components have angle between them 90 degrees. Which pair has same dimensions? Work and power, momentum and impulse, force and torque, torque and power. Correct option B. Momentum and impulse have same dimensions. The smaller the physical quantity, the precise instrument should be used. Smaller, smallest, more, most. Correct option most. The smaller the physical quantity, the most precise instrument should be used. The dimensions of force or centripetal force: ml power minus 2, T power 2, ml T power 1, ml T power minus 2, ml power 2, T power 2. Correct option C. The dimensions of force or centripetal force: ml T minus 2, where m is mass, L is length, and T is time. The magnitude of the resultant of two forces 6 Newton and 8 Newton acting at right angle is 6 Newton, 10 Newton, 14 Newton, 16 Newton. Correct option is B, 10 Newton. The numerical value of constants in any formula cannot be determined by dimensional analysis. However, it can be found by addition, physical quantities, experiments, uncertainty. Correct option is C, experiments. For total assessment of uncertainty in the final result obtained by multiplication and division, absolute uncertainties are added, fractional uncertainties are added, percentage uncertainties are added, errors are added. Correct option C. For total assessment of uncertainty in the final result obtained by multiplication and division, percentage uncertainties are added. Work has dimension like torque, momentum, velocity, power. Correct option A. Work has dimension like torque. 2 radian is equal to 114.6 degrees, 57.3 degrees, 75.3 degrees, 37.5 degrees. And the correct answer is A. 2 radian is equal to 114.6 degrees. Angular acceleration is produced by power, torque, pressure, force. Correct option B. Angular acceleration is produced by torque. The SI units of flow rate are meter square per second, meter cube per second square, meter cube per second, meter square per second square. Correct option is C. The SI units of flow rate are meter cube per second. Venturi meter is used to measure speed of fluid, pressure of fluid, volume of fluid, mass of fluid. Correct option A. Venturi meter is used to measure speed of fluid. The expression for frequency of a mass m attached to a spring of spring constant k is 2 pi into square root of k over m, 2 pi into square root of m over k, 1 over 2 pi into square root of k over m, 1 over 2 pi into square root of k over m. Correct option is C. 1 over 2 pi into square root of k over m. The distance covered by wave in 1 second is wavelength, wave number, frequency, wave speed. Correct option is D. The distance covered by wave in 1 second is wave speed. In which medium the speed of sound is greater? Oxygen, air, water, copper. Correct option is D. The speed of sound is greater in copper. Average translational kinetic energy of gas molecule is 1 over 2 into K into T, K into T, 2 by 3 into K into T, 3 over 2 into K into T. Correct option is D. Average translational kinetic energy of gas molecule is 3/2 into K into T. At which of the following temperature a body has maximum internal energy? -273 degrees Celsius, 0 Kelvin, 273 Kelvin, -273 Kelvin. Correct option is C. 273 Kelvin. Mass is highly concentrated form of inertia, energy, plasma, charge. Correct option is B. Mass is highly concentrated form of energy.